Hello, Chef Isabella here with Mansfield ISD Student Nutrition, presenting more meal inspirations. Here's our menu for the week of June 16th. We serve on Tuesdays and Fridays from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. And here's a picture of one of those bundles that you can receive, as well as our take and bake heating instructions, along with all of the items from that bundle broken out based on the menu. Today we're going to talk about how to slice a personal watermelon, turkey and cheese flatbread, and smoothies. So here's your personal watermelon from the Tuesday bundle. As you can see, there's a light spot, which means the fruit was ripening on the vine and is therefore slightly sweeter. We're going to cut off the root and the stem, just like that. Then we're going to roll the fruit onto its flat surface, which makes it easier to cut. Gives it a little bit more stability. Alright, go ahead and cut that in half. We'll set one of those to the side. We're going to cut in half again, and at this point we're going to cut it into slices. So this is a personal size watermelon, and it's a lot easier to handle than a full-size watermelon, especially for the novice watermelon slicer. Anyways, here are our slices, which are perfect sized for your kiddo. Alright, next we have our turkey and cheese flatbread from the Friday bundle. We've cooked it according to the take and bake instructions in the microwave, and here is how that looks. We're also taking that same turkey and cheese flatbread, thawing it overnight in the refrigerator, and we have a pan over medium-high heat with some pan spray. Then we're going to take our thawed sandwich and place it in the pan for about 2 minutes. Once we see the cheese is melting, we're going to flip it over and see that there's a nice golden brown color to the bread. Cook it for an additional 1 minute. Alright, we'll go ahead and pull that out. And here's our completed grilled turkey and cheese flatbread. Next, we're going to go ahead and do some smoothies. In this case, we're doing 2 servings, so we have 2 Danimals yogurts from the Friday bundle. We're also going to add some juice. You can choose the flavor. In this case, we have orange. And we have some frozen fruit. In this case, it's strawberries. However, you could try blueberries, mangoes, whatever you'd like. We're advancing through the speeds on our blender for about 35 to 45 seconds. And now, look at that. Delicious. We're going to go ahead and pour that into our cups. And just for funsies, we're going to top this off with some cereal. But you could use granola or more frozen fruit. Top it the way that you'd like. Here are the recipes for our turkey and cheese flatbread along with that smoothie with lots of different customization options. And as always, we'd love if you'd share your meal inspirations with us by posting on our social media. We can't wait to see what you present.